Ka ba? Madali naman ako kausap. Baka naging 200. Ito. Dalawa pa eh. Dalawa pa pag ganito. 500, 1,000. Oh, no, that's it. Oh, dude. Hindi ko pwede ako mag-Vegas, no? Total, doon naman ako base, so siguro yun naman pag wala na nanonood sa akin, mag-uupad na lang ako sa Vegas. Kasi hindi ako maghihirap, no? What do you guys think? Huwag ako na bahala sa'yo. Ano gusto mong kuning masters? Yes. Ate! Okay, game, tapusin na natin to para, gimmick na tayo. Where do you guys want to go after? Ang bahala sa inyo. It's like a physical broken hearted. Sino nakit sa'yo? Sino? Bubugbugin natin. May bayad yung isa. Nakita mo yung kanina, may bayad. Dala mo yung machine dyan. Sige. Huwag kang papaloko sa lalaki lang yan. Dapat ang lalaki sinasaktan, hindi ko yung nasasaktan. Diba? Thank you. Ilan ba yan? I love my job! Who wants more days? Mag-clear na tayo hindi! Kapag mo kami! Grabe. Mukha mo natin akong pera. Akin na po, kinista kita eh. Akin na yun. Ano ba siya? Huli ko! Ano sa job? Okay na guys naman na, may 1,000 na ako. Okay na. Ako naman na. Kaya gusto mo pumunta. Diba tayong sili? Grabe guys. This is totally unprecedented. I feel so cheap. Wow! Cheap pero may 1,000 ka. Ano naman? Bakit ba? 3 pieces din? Tawa ko eh. Nagbayad ka na, binigyan mo pa ka. Di ba may area? Talaga po? Last to guys ha? Dami ko ng pera eh. Oh, binig ko mawiwili ako dito. Wiling-wiling na ako ngayon pa lang eh. Dami natin pera. Huwag na nga mong babae, hindi ko na joke lang. Stop na? Stop na? Wait for you. No one else did it with you. Got you. Really? Pero it's sige, one time. Okay, we'll see you on an impromptu song for a change.
It's not even an impromptu, so...
It's not even an impromptu. No, I remember singing this song with you, and we would always almost choke up because this is something that's close to our hearts, and this kid, singing this song with me for so long and for so many shows. We're just really happy that we get to do this. This is something for me as a father. you know, whenever I see him perform, you know, I'm such a big fan to get to perform with him. It's more.
Magkano. Joke lang.
And then this is
Sir,
really-
This side. It's not the loudest.